Good day, everyone. Learned how to change the laptop's background in a second. So if you want beautiful and amazing wallpapers, you want to change wallpaper in your Windows 11 laptop, you can do it on your own. It is very easy to do so. So here, do a right click and then go to Personalize, and then you will find Personalization background image. Click on that, and here you can browse photos, you can go to your pictures, and you can set the wallpaper. By any chance, if you want more wallpapers, you can simply visit this site pexels.com and hit enter. You will find a lot of things. You can simply click on wallpaper and you can change the filters like nature or cool wallpaper. Alright, and then you can simply select any of it. I'll show you how you can set the wallpaper. It will hardly take a second to do it. So let's say I liked this. I'll choose the filter first. I want the horizontal, and here we go. So I'll select any of the image, let's say this one. I'll click on download, and it has been downloaded. I'll open that image. I'll do a right click and I'll click on set as background, and I'll go to my desktop, and you can see I have successfully changed the wallpaper. And by any chance, if you want to change it, do a right click, go to personalize background, select the image, and that's it. Close it and you will have your background right there. So if you find this tutorial short and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and do share this tutorial with your family and friends. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.